Tired of your phone constantly demanding your attention with its vibrant colors? Let's transform your Android phone's display to grayscale in under 90 seconds, reducing eye strain and maybe even your screen time. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick settings panel and tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a gear. Alternatively, find the settings app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Now, scroll down until you find accessibility. Tap on it. Don't worry if it's in a slightly different place on your phone. Manufacturers sometimes rearrange settings. In the accessibility menu, look for an option called color correction or something similar like vision. Tap on it. You'll see a toggle switch labeled use color correction. Go ahead and flip that switch to the on position. Boom! Your screen should immediately switch to grayscale. If not, double check the switch is enabled. You might see different color correction options, like deuteranimally or protanimally, but to achieve black and white, make sure grayscale is selected as the color correction type. And there you have it. Your Android phone is now in grayscale mode. Enjoy the simplified display and the potential benefits for your eyes and screen time. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if grayscale has helped you reduce your screen time.